Okay, let's try this spot, and now we will use Tenkara. Okay, first throw. Let it settled, and then jig. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Strong fish. Strong fish. What fish is this? What fish is this? Okay. Okay. What fish? Okay. Oh no, kingfish, guys, kingfish from Tenkara. Got kingfish using Tenkara. What a nice, what a nice. Can I land this? Can I land this? Oh my god, kingfish using Tenkara. See guys, kingfish. And the problem is okay. Oh, my main line is 4 pounds, leader line is 9 pounds. Our bait is Tenkara. So, can we land this? Can we land this? Ooh. Ooh. And kingfish, guys, kingfish. Can I land? Landed. Kingfish using Tenkara, guys. UL nakapagland ng kingfish. Oops. Can't you imagine? Ito yung Tenkara natin, guys. Okay, at least kasi nasa good position yung ano natin, yung hook. Okay guys, swerte. We got a kingfish from Tenkara. Ayan guys. Ayun, wala tayong lalagyanan. Wala tayong lalagyanan, guys. Okay, landed. Small kingfish, pero good size na rin to. Ay nako, lagkit. Madulas pala, madulas. Okay, what a lucky day. Tanggalin natin. Okay. Pangyarihan talaga yung tengkana ng kaibigan natin. Daming naloloko. Okay. Yan ka muna. Okay, sorry. Uy. Sorry. Okay, tabunan muna natin. Malakas pa siya. Ay, nako. Swerte naman. Diyan muna siya. Kasi wala tayong lalagyanan. Maliliit na isda lang huhulihin ko ngayon. Bakit may kumagat na ganito kalaki? Thank you. Okay. Cast ulit tayo. Asa na ba yan? Ito. Okay. Malagkit pa yung kamay ko. Uy. One more. Let's dig.